My name is Samar Shawarib. I'm the founder and managing director of Arabia Weddings. ArabiaWeddings.com is an Arabic and English wedding planning website. It basically provides a lot of information for the brides and grooms to facilitate their wedding planning process. Through the tips and trends and news sections and other sections, we provide daily original content on all matters related to weddings. We also provide a lot of special deals and interactive planning tools. So basically our promise is to make the wedding planning process a lot easier, more efficient and more affordable to the brides and grooms to be in Jordan and across the Middle East. Okay, I think Arabic content in general is less than 2%, and original Arabic content is also very, very rare. What we find in terms of Arabic content is either news-related content or user-generated content on social media platforms. But original content is only seeing itself through the digital world recently, with the launch of several websites that cater for women, health, beauty, and food and other lifestyle content websites. Our audience is mainly female. 80% of our traffic is from females between the ages of 20 and 35. The evolution of the website is a daily process. We basically seek a lot of advice and feedback from the brides themselves through personal interaction with them at events like bridal and wedding shows, and through the regular surveys and feedback that we do. So we very much listen to what they want to do to improve and enhance and introduce new features on the website. For example, in our most recent survey, a lot of brides asked us, for example, to include galleries of fashion collections that are available in the market. So we created specific galleries for them to tell them, where to shop and where from. Feedback we find is very, very important to keep the website evolving. The integration between the online and the offline business is very important for our business specifically. As I said earlier, we have special deals on the website. We cannot fully complete the process of ordering a special deal online by itself. We definitely have to support this with offline communication with the brides, because weddings are not cut and paste events. And there are a lot of customization and personalization that has to go into a wedding. So we definitely support our online activities with offline activities. Our revenue streams for ArabiaWeddings.com come from advertising, from the cutoff or the commissions that we get on the sale of the special deals, and from the premium listing in the directory, which follows a freemium model. So basically the standard listing is for free, but if a company opts to have all its contact details and links on our website, then they would have to pay a subscription fee. Yes, we do expect to see some increase in ad spend on websites. We've already seen a big shift from the old media, so to speak, or from journalism and print media to online media. But most of it so far goes for large mass targeted websites. We are still just yet to see some advertising being spent on niche content lifestyle websites. The main obstacle basically is to convince clients and ad agencies that there's a lot of mileage in advertising on niche websites. Their main priority so far is reach, but we stress that relevance is a lot more important than reach for specific clients who are looking to target highly relevant audience. Awareness is generally still very low. Some clients who have ad agencies, for example, like banks who want to promote marriage loans, or jewelers who want to promote their collections for brides, are embracing the digital marketing scene. But a lot of the other clients that we work with, like wedding planners or florists, photographers, etc., have not yet embraced digital media. So we still have a lot of way to go to educate our larger, the largest suppliers or potential clients in terms of digital marketing. We have exciting plans for Arabia Weddings in 2013. We start the year with a launch in the UAE through a bridal show in Abu Dhabi. So basically, we have formed a strategic partnership with the major organizers of the wedding shows in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. We will be exhibiting there, and from there, we will launch our activities in the UAE. In terms of features and technical developments, we're constantly enhancing the website. We will be introducing a lot more features and interactive planning tools and the mobile app in 2013.